Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own Wix website. First, navigate to wix.com and sign up for a free account. You'll then choose a template that best suits your vision, whether it's for a portfolio, online store, or blog. Next, select a domain name that is easy to remember and reflects your brand. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your online presence effectively. Now, let's dive into design. Wix offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to easily place elements like text, images, and videos. Personalize your site by choosing colors, fonts, and backgrounds that align with your brand identity. Remember to check the mobile view to ensure your website looks great on all devices. A well-designed site keeps visitors engaged. With your layout set, it's time to add your content. Upload high-quality images and craft engaging text for each section of your website. Wix also provides numerous apps and features you can integrate, such as contact forms, social media feeds, or even an online store. These additions can significantly enhance user experience and functionality, making your site more dynamic. Before going live, thoroughly review your entire website. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues across all pages. Once you're satisfied, select a Wix Premium plan that fits your needs, which often includes a custom domain and more storage. Then, hit that Publish button to share your creation with the world. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.